Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku on your mobile device. Start by downloading a well-rated Sudoku application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, open the app and select a difficulty level that suits you, perhaps easy or medium to begin. The game board is a 9x9 grid divided into 9 3x3 subgrids. Your goal is to fill every empty cell with a number from 1 to 9. The core rules are straightforward. Every single row on the board must contain the numbers 1 through 9, with no repeats. Similarly, each column must also feature all digits from 1 to 9, again without any duplication. Finally, each of the 9 smaller 3x3 boxes must also contain every digit from 1 to 9. To solve effectively, begin by identifying cells where only one number is possible. Many apps offer a pencil mark feature, allowing you to jot down all potential candidate numbers for a cell. Systematically scan each row, column, and 3x3 block to pinpoint missing digits. This methodical approach helps narrow down possibilities and reveal the correct numbers. Consistent practice is key to mastering Sudoku. Aim to play at least 1 or 2 games daily to sharpen your skills. Don't hesitate to try harder difficulty levels as you become more confident. This will introduce you to more complex puzzles. While hints can be helpful, use them sparingly to truly develop your problem-solving abilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.